Hey guys, welcome to the Bravo Connection. Today we have a 2017 Genesis G80. I'm going to show you how to reset the oil life for this vehicle. Press the start stop button 2 times till it gets to the on position. And it's showing service required. On the steering wheel, use this button right here to scroll through the screen menus. This one to press OK, and then up and down. Let's go check out the service required menu. Under service required, you can see it's past due, so it's due for service. Just next to it is settings. You can change the service interval. If you click on one of these, you can change the mileage. We'll leave it as is. Let's go back to the service required menu. Back at the service required menu, notice right here it says hold OK to reset. Hold the OK button down, and it's reset. And you're pretty much done. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe. And I'll catch you next time. Take care.